What do you mean by forms, right? So forms is nothing but what, guys? So it is used to collect the data from the user from the front end part, and we can store the data in backend part, okay, like databases, servers for future purposes. So now to create the forms, whatever the forms you will see on websites and applications, how to create those forms. So to create those forms, okay, you have to use something called HTML, guys. You have to create the structure. So designing part, later we will see how to design like a good form. Okay, in CSS I will observe here how to design the forms, guys. So now concentrate. So now here I will create a form. Okay, observe here I will create a form, and first thing you should, okay, the tag form. What is the tag, guys? Form. Okay, the tag is form. Form is a tag. Okay, form is a tag which allows us to create. Okay, tell me about this action attribute. Now let me delete this. Okay. So here we are learning only the front end part, guys. Here we are learning only the front, not back end part. Clear? Here we are learning only front end part, not back end part. Clear? So you should remember this. Then, so now this is the tag. Okay, you have to use. So inside this tag, we have to use some other tags called input tags. Okay, input tag. Done. So this tag is very important, guys. This tag is very important. This tag and this attribute is very important. So input tag, okay, allows us to create different types of inputs. So like the text boxes, password boxes, email boxes, okay, then check boxes, radio buttons, okay, a file uploading, okay, number type of boxes, date. So different kinds of input we can create with the help of which tag? Input tag. The help. So here the important attribute is type attribute. Which attribute is important? Type attribute. Okay, guys, I'm two students are telling voice is breaking. Audible or not? Okay, who all are facing breaking voice breaking? No, it's a problem from your side. Okay, because every day I'm taking the sessions, no problem. So you sit somewhere where you have proper internet connection. So concentrate. Okay, so form is a tag. So you should use. Okay, you have to create. Okay, Shilpa, problem is not from my side. No, sir, your side problem ante. Okay, before telling like this, you should think about. Okay, what means there are more than 175 students. You are telling like things, our voice is breaking, and I can agree the problem is from my side. Okay, 2 to 3 students are telling that is from before like this. No, you should. Okay, Shilpa. So I will rejoin the session. Okay, I'll rejoin the session. I'm going to leave now. I'll rejoin later. Simply you will send breaking sir, breaking sir ante. Audible or not, guys? Reply everyone. Okay, concentrate now. See here we have, okay, the form tag. So inside the form tag we have to use input tag. Clear? Inside the form tag we have to use what? Input tag. So input tag is very important. Why? Means it is this is the tag by using which you can create multiple input you can create. So here there is an attribute called type, which is going to tell which type of input you are creating. Input tag creates inputs, but this type attribute tells which type of inputs you are creating. So now first, if you pass text, it is going to create, okay, text type of input. That means everything will be visible if you type. So now save this, go back to browser, reload the page. See, we are getting this. So guys, if my voice is breaking, so I will leave the session, again I will join.